Hey guys, Chef Bari here. Here's our review of Sunscape Akumal Resort and Spa. The family-themed resort situates in the Akumal region of Riveria Maya with its own sandy beach cove, perfect for kayaking, snorkeling, swimming, and paddleboarding. It's a calm beach cove inlet protected by reefs in the distance. However, do expect windy days. They have flags related to the conditions. Red flag, rough but still okay. Yellow flag, calm and nice. White flag, jellyfish are around. And black flag, stay the hell out of the ocean. The resort property is smartly divided from the kiddie pools to the adult pool. If you participate in the Sun Club membership, you have the opportunity to go on the rooftop featuring an overall view of the beach and resort. There are 6 bed lounges available, but you had better get there early because they go fast. Being from Canada, WestJet offered this Sun Club package at $80 per guest. You get to go into upgraded restaurants. Your room is upgraded. We also received a complimentary bottle of tequila. Sunscape Resort is all inclusive. As you can see, the beaches are spectacular. We arrived at Sunscape Resort at the end of February of 2020. As you can see, our view was spectacular. The stress of everyday life just melted off our shoulders. During our stay, the waiters and hosts at Windows Buffet were simply wonderful and accommodating to each guest. Sure to tip them because they will remember you next time you come by. All the pastries and desserts were good and acceptable. The secret gem is indeed Coca Cafe. Overlooking the kiddies pool, it's a 24-hour service offering yummy carrot cake and assorted pastries plus specialty coffees. Open 24 hours a day. After midnight, they offer sandwiches if you would like. And let's not forget the fruit-flavored sherbets and sometimes ice cream starting at 12 noon. The De Mario restaurant had fresh eggs Benedict, which was for Sun Club members only. This area was the far left side of Sunscape Resort. It's a little rocky and not really great for swimming, but it was a beautiful scenery altogether. Okay, let's talk about the unfavorable items that have occurred. Beware of timeshare sellers. First, they try to tell you it's not a timeshare, but it certainly is a timeshare. They wasted 45 minutes of our time, and we thought they were employees of Sunscape Resort. As a Sun Club member, I thought you could reserve lounge chairs, but you can't. Every morning it's a rush to get your lounge chair. The desserts were good, but the entrees weren't as good as they should have been. It was always hit or miss with the food. Not to sound condescending, but as a chef, I did expect more for the food items. I suggest the beer be in cold cans instead of the plastic ones that they served us. Sunscape Resort was a 4-star resort. My next adventure will be a 5-star resort. However, if Sunscape decided to become a 5-star resort, I would go back there again because the beaches are awesome. Overall, it's a nice family resort with the best beach view that would match with Maui. Don't expect great food. The beer isn't that cold either. However, there's some great little perks like this infinity pool, as you can see. Apparently, the infinity pool was for Sun Club members. However, I saw plenty of people enjoying the infinity pool that were not Sun Club members. Some days they would go out of their way and produce wonderful foods like this shrimp, for example. Some of the unusual attractions were the stingrays. Fishermen would come in the afternoon. They would clean their catch of the day and throw the entrails into the water. 4 local stingrays would be waiting for their lunch. And you spot the stingray going under the boat. The fun part of Sunscape was their entertainment. Fire dancers were indeed fun to watch. Thank you for watching and enjoy.